Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a couple of my slimes. I'm a bit sick right now, so it's just a cold, it's all up in here, but, oh, excuse me. So welcome to my little space part thing. So yeah, Sage, she's my half-sister, I guess. I'm at my house right now. I'll give you a house tour next video. But yeah, she gave me some Play-Doh Plus, so that's that. Some sparkles on my desk. Yeah, I'll add some sparkles to this if you guys were wondering later, though. So that's one. This one, you guys are probably like, oh, that's not slime, but look. That's slime. Even though that it breaks really easily, trust me, guys. Like, look at this. Look at that. It's perfect pokes. I could even do a swirl with it. Sparkles on my hand. You guys want to see a swirl? Let me stretch it. Like, how is this not slime? Okay, you guys ready? Here you go. Wait, guys. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Never mind, it's just not going to work. Okay. In next video, I'll leave my friend's YouTube channel down below. Not today because, yeah. Okay, so that's that slime. Sorry guys, if I'm too weird. I only really have a couple subscribers, so yeah. But if somebody new watches this, and if you like it, then if you want, you can subscribe. You don't have to. Okay, now for the big boy. You know, my first video, cringy as AF. Yeah, that video was this slime. I added sparkles to it so it looks so much more different. But yeah, it's nice. Really nice. Like, look at that. It's not really the best slime ever. It's two slimes mixed together. It's fluffy and crunchy. At first it was just one pink slime, and then by accidentally white got mixed into it, so just made it into a really nice pink. It was pink fluffy slime, and then the white got mixed into it, and then white fluffy crunchy turned into. This one is like almost impossible to control because it's like so weird. I wouldn't say it's gross, but it's weird. That's all I have to say. Okay, next one. You guys are probably going to be like, oh, that's Play-Doh. It's not. Well, it was once dough stuff. But then I added hand sanitizer and lotion. It's probably going to be one of my videos coming up. It's probably going to be what I'm going to be explaining. Like, that's not Play-Doh. It's softer than Play-Doh. Yeah, it's nice for sticking stuff together. Like, this container broke, so I added some at the bottom. And look, it doesn't fall off. So yeah, this stuff is good for that. And then I keep it in this little container. See, this little container. Okay, next I have this like blue. It's not really the best slime ever. It's crunchy. Definitely not flexible. But this next one that I'm going to show you, I do not take out a lot. It feels really weird. Like, oh. The container. Oh my god. No, never mind. This is bad slime, guys. Sorry. I won't be able to show you this one. I have to throw this one out. If you guys were wondering, oh, slime, does slime go bad? Yes, it does. I am not dealing with that anymore. Okay. I still have some time left, actually, on this video, so I'll show you some kinetic sand. Yes, guys, I do have kinetic sand. I will do, like, nice, relaxing kinetic sand videos to help you go to sleep. That will make you, like, all nice. Like, what I'm doing right now is just making me want to pass on. And no, this is not a sponsor, but yes, Pringle Cup. Okay, I'll be right back. Here you go. Okay. So, that's my kinetic sand. It's green. I kind of wanted to get a different color, but it's okay. Get what you get and you don't get upset. If you guys are wondering where you got it, not a sponsor, Barnes & Nobles. It was really nice. It wasn't for a lot of money, too. It was a good amount of money, actually. Okay. And then I took some of the Play-Doh stuff that I was showing you, and I added some kinetic sand to it. Yes, it has foam beads. But it's kind of good. Sticks everywhere. But yeah. I will show you my room, I guess. Here's my room. It's a mess right now, but just deal with it. There it is. That's my bed. I sleep that way. See? Yeah, I have a fish. I'll show you a animal thing next video. So, yeah, I'm going to get on that one. Bye!